Alright, my name is Idris Temir and welcome to my unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro. So I got this phone at the start of this year, and the left side of the box says Google, right side says Pixel 7 Pro, on the top is the Google logo. Below are the details, and on the back it says hashtag Team Pixel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. As you might remember, previous phones have the plastic all over the box, but now they have this left and right side pull tabs. I'm gonna go ahead and open the right side. There you go. And then now I'm gonna open the box. Oh wow, this phone is super reflective. It's a bad timing to wear a white shirt. You can see my tripod and my OnePlus 3T phone with the skin on the back, a white skin. So I'm gonna put the phone on the side for now. Here is the gray paperwork. Here's the white USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Put it here for now. And here is the quick switch adapter tool. So it's type A to type C. Hold up this phone right now and just rearranging some of the box for framing, trying to get like a nice top-down shot, but I should have removed this in the video, but I feel like this is more organic. So here's the phone. Again, the reflective back glass, and I got the black color. Really hard to find a good angle on this one. Gonna peel the front plastic. Boot the phone for the first time. It says Google. Trying to feel the phone for the first time. It's currently loading, and there's a little bit of weight, and the curved glass is a little bit pronounced, but not too much. And from here I can feel the haptics, and I thought the ball was bouncing when you try to move the phone. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up this phone.